Receiver card fell out, so we felt we need to bring that back and look in it.
That's probably the ashes of the dog or something.
Few bucks. It's a Leroy Neiman. I find a Leroy Neiman piece of art worth the money. Don't push me. That's kind of cool. Can't grip your cards. What do we got here? We got a shipwreck coin.
These are cards.
Yeah. 24 karat gold plated. There's the Mickey Mantle rookie I was asking for, huh? Limited edition, 2711. Genuine onyx.
Garbage. Stolen for it, please.
So when you ever leave the country, when I take you to Port of Arts, I want to see it on your suitcase.
Los Angeles Rams, the original.
Put all the hats together because we got hat buyers for this. We'll just save these for Stockton. So we got guys out there buying them.
Picture of Sam.
And a ticket for the. This is garbage.
That's signed.
That's garbage. Jose Canseco. He's my favorite player back in the day. Still is my favorite player. My daughter didn't like that.
That's it.
United we stand, divided we fall. That's all crap. That's the cut. I'll try to make a little video here. Video of everything. Video's upside down. I'm excited, baby.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
I kind of surprise myself even sometimes.
Nice.
Don't be careful with these things here.
Brand new.
When you lift it up, go like this, and then
The antenna's on there. Look at that baby.
look and see what kind of car it is. That's all I want to know.
1958.
I'm not about,
1958
I wonder who
Cadillac.
makes it.
No, it's a...
Chevy.
It's a 58 Plymouth Fury.
There you go.
Now, who makes it? Hold it. Okay.
Look, mira. They don't say.
What's the best? Keep going up. Turtle. Danbury Mint. Not bad.
Nice.
All right. That's what I want to see.
Who's that?
That's great. We're going to go to town. It's pretty smooth, huh? This one says master bedroom. I saw you chose that one. You tend to think you're going to find your gold and silver.
In the master bedroom.
I do like this. Look at that black box right there.
Me too. That's what I'm waiting
No.
to get to.
Books. Nothing like a books.
Dollars.
Hey, it was a steel box at number 4.
And the shake was interesting. Right?
Fingerboards. Those can go to the flea market. Actually, this whole box is looking like you can. Once you get past there, I'll just take the whole box. That's 20 bucks.
What the hell is it?
It's a Racing Champions car.
It's a box down there.
That's what we're trying to be like. Billionaires. Be very careful with that.
Cool.
Not really. You think you'll get 200 bucks in Concord?
Oh, yeah.
Then I could take it out there and have to get like 140 because
No,
we're
you'll get
desperate to
$200
sell it.
easy.
Diapers.
That table goes with that set too?
No, that's a whole nother set. It's like a foyer table and
Tapes.
what do we got here? All right. I guess that's why that one had a little shook to it.
Those records.
Here I am bending them. Because it said parks moving in storage, and I think I like the shape of it. Underwear.
All the way there. Shitty underwear.
Stockton. Try some on, Alex.
Yeah.
You mentioned open the one that said cars.
Yes, sir. These are all cars.
Be careful.
I'm being very careful. They're stuck to each other.
Oh,
Calm down.
let's see one. What we want to see is
Is a what?
Franklin or Danbury mint. We don't want to see Erdl and mate. I'm not supposed to say don't. See, here I am again, not even practicing my laws of attraction as we film. Oh,
That's nice.
I thought I was missing something. What does it say?
1955 Cadillac.
It says Danbury mint. That's all that matters. See right there, Danbury mint. Thank you. These are all cars in here. It's looking like they're Danbury mint. I'm not going to sit here and open them all up. We have the boxes at the storage, so we'll wait to open them all up when we have the rest here. Set that in a manner that you don't break that. I wouldn't even wrap it up. I would just kind of just lay it in there. There's no coin in there, sir.
No, I was looking at the roach egg.
Cash them?
98.
Here's the old ugly stick.
One of the things that really intrigued us to buy this unit was the fishing rod thing in the front. That's actually a Shakespeare, but it's got a signed name on it. See, when in the art of bamboo fishing rods, you always want to look for the ones that are signed. Some bamboo rods can go up as much as $200,000. You get the right maker.
This is a fly rod, but it's a fiberglass.
That's a Fenwick.
Oh, it ain't. Got no name
The sticker's missing.
on it. Yeah.
That looks like a Fenwick to me, though.
Oh,
Somebody
this
took
is
the
the one I
sticker
want
off.
right here.
What does the label say on this one?
We could tell this is the one I want.
South Bend.
Can I have this one?
Oh, 3 or 4 piecer there.
It's not. It's 2 pieces. I feel it's only 2.
It's an 8 piecer. It's a 16. What?
Nothing.
I don't.
The video with 100K. I believe he needs help.
This is the one he really wants. He should know how to open it.
Yeah, well, I'm taking it easy. I don't want to break it.
We don't want you to either. That one's probably like $300.
Shut up. They're online. Right now, I can get them for $50.
Which kind?
These cane fly rods.
Just depends on who makes it.
That's exactly what I'm looking for.
I'm trying to explain to you that I know a little bit about fly fishing rods, and there's some fishing rods that go a lot of damn money. I'm looking for that one.
I'm not. I'm just looking for any old one.
It really is a Montague.
Talk and not look it up.
Which means it's worth
Add another 10 and
I
I'll
just
probably...
need it for fishing.
You add another 10, I probably wouldn't question it.
I'm in really good shape.
What do we got here? A quickie tie down. Some sellable looking things though.
I want pictures of you using that, Dan.
Dan only buys stuff to keep. That's the only thing that I know is he's gonna use whatever I. Because anything that Dan gets for sale, he gives to me to sell. So it didn't make no sense.
Right, so we're going to drive down to...
He did manifest that though because he asked for one the other day, and then here we are with the rod. Yeah, I do. Let me see that. RC Erdl. Come on.
But to the guy who made these,
Toys.
you need to put a mechanism on here to change the size.
Toys.
Diapers, you want to save these, Alex?
No.
Uncle Michael, you having a
Oh,
granddaughter.
careful, cars. Bunch more cars. All old. No, I just leave them in here. Those
Yeah,
are really
well,
neat
depends
ones.
on what's
Yeah,
Panteras.
look them all up.
Other
Oh,
damn
look, you're
brand,
fucking
yeah.
breaking them already.
What was it to film?
No, it went in the box, don't worry.
The Duesenberg.
Gold. It's a shoebox, but it's going to be gold.
Yep, you're right. Right down in the bottom. Gold bullion.
These are car parts, right?
Car plate. Well, that's what goes on it.
What is that?
Corvette.
Yeah, but then there's like some special Corvette.
Corvette
thing.
Museum. Oh my God.
Those are nothing.
I want that.
That is something there.
National
Is that
Park.
part of the museum?
That's the plate that goes with that.
Yes.
Let me
Oh,
see what this stuff.
Emblems.
The plate goes on this.
Oh, there was something in here that fell.
it is, isn't it?
Finish it up. Yep.
All right.
Oh my God! Magic fiddle.
Electronic magic fiddle.
Shut the front door. Let me see. Let me see that. Electronic.
What's that? Oh, look at
Trying to
those.
get me high. Those are worth something.
1963. I hope we find the other one. We need a pair.
This is the double bass, isn't it?
It's an electronic magic fiddle.
Oh, coins. They're there.
24 karat gold plated. Nice.
They're worth
Oh
$1.
shit. There's
Is
more.
it on that table,
Yep.
sir?
Yep.
Alex, so your ring was real yesterday?
Yeah. Not the big one.
What the diamond wasn't real. The bet was that the diamond wasn't real. What is that? What is that?
Currency. Oh my God.
We have.
Oh my
Let
God.
me check here first. Okay, sir.
Is it?
Can you check that again for me, sir?
Chuck it. This garbage, right?
I'm more concerned about the coin books that are
Oh, look at this! Look at this
$2
money!
bills.
$2 bills.
Collection.
Damn, 2,
Collector's currency. Is that what it
Look at
says?
them.
4,
all.
6, 8,
They may all not be twos.
Yeah,
They're-
open them up.
20.
No, it says twos.
Yeah, but they could be special. There could be some
They all say
special
twos.
ones.
Oh,
Whole
look at
collection.
that.
That's
I
nice.
collect
Put it
twos.
back in the box.
Yeah, that's the box it came with. Oh my
Oh,
God,
we're
what's
trying
in
to find
there?
some hundreds. Special collector hundreds. Thousands.
I'll just keep this.
He does that every time, and I know it's not even.
Yeah, it's empty.
Yeah.
Cents.
All coins.
Oh.
He doesn't have the.
Missing one, yeah.
Yeah, and that's,
You
that's
know,
the good one.
Wow, look at that. Keep
Nice.
filming, keep filming.
Why
Open
is
up.
it missing the best one?
You
You
know?
got desperate and had to
Hold
sell
on a
them.
second. Okay.
What was
Oh,
that?
nickels.
Oh, look at these
So, can you
dimes.
slow down? He doesn't understand the art of filming.
Right, dimes.
Look at the dimes. These are old ones too.
Yeah, they're all silver.
Dang.
That's good.
Silver, silver, silver.
Nice.
No silver.
Still, nickel, Indian head nickels are no,
Yeah.
they're not. There's an Indian head.
There's some buckles. Those could be pricey.
If they're three-legged.
Yes. Oh my God. You guys
Silver.
say that like the bandits.
Silver dimes.
It's just a good one.
They wanted this one.
Let's take a
Yeah.
merino. Let's go to Pawn Stars.
Those guys are a freaking joke. I've been there with some stuff before.
Did you?
Oh, nice.
Oh.
He's got them all labeled.
I think we're gonna be calling it a day after tomorrow, huh? We're
No,
calling
they're
it a
just
wrap.
silver. Not
Some
gold
of them are old
coins.
though. That penny.
Yeah, the gold coins that I got were like
We
$1,000
want to look into
each.
every one of these though.
Every coin I got $1,000 for.
And when it comes to coins, you're pretty much looking.
Look at that bag.
Coins.
But wait, there's more. Yeah. Oh my God. Open up your hand. Yeah, those are those bags. I think they sell them like that. You buy them as these grab bags. You ever seen those advertised?
Nice.
But wait, there's more.
Pretty much the same.
What's
These are all dimes.
yeah?
Nice, that's silver.
Which unit?
Hey, hold them.
Nice.
Yeah. Check these out. See that.
What you got there?
There's like those things that the other bills came in.
Roll of pennies. I got an
Here you go.
uncirculated something here. What is it? $1?
That's just a quarter. Gold coins, gold coins, gold
What's this one,
coins.
Mike?
Yennies.
That's just a quarter. Well, those are Indian heads, right?
For some
One
reason, it's
center.
got tape on these little things here.
The new guy.
You really need to.
That's silver. It's all silver proof set. That's nice. Look that up.
Nice little thumb.
It's
Yeah,
not in
man.
the bag. Don't lose it.
What is it?
What the fuck is it?
It's just slim.
Quarter. Really old quarter.
Ooh,
Oh, I guess it shouldn't
stuff
go
in
in
there
there.
too.
Silver.
Money coming out of everywhere.
Was it?
Yeah.
I need to see the mirror.
I never had of your Corvette at the National Corvette Museum.
No.
He had a Corvette in the National Corvette Museum.
Some little
Silver.
Yeah.
1955. Is there something in the back of this?
way.
If I was the guy who had gold or silver coins in a paper bag, I would definitely keep my gold coins in a leather bag. Let this be gold coins. 3 grams.
Everything's got some money in it.
Hey, you. Found a
never
couple
been
little
opened.
things
Yeah,
here.
we don't need to look at them.
It's a collector's.
We know it's not cool. What's that? What's that? Hoffa Mac. He likes Hoffa.
That's what I see.
All right, that was exciting. So this was the final outcome of that plastic tote. It's pretty neat. This one book has several silver coins right here. We already flipped through that. We got silver, regular nickels. We have
tight, you know
the
that?
2
Little
things of
shape
dimes,
between
the
the two.
pennies.
There, tell them who
The whole thing is pretty neat.
This
It
is
pretty
nice.
neat.
And it's new.
Yeah.
Thing of Indian head
All right,
pennies.
Dave, I'm just looking for the corn guy too.
And we got
Did you
this
see
thing
the
of
corn guy out there?
silver right here too.